Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my simple rice and beans. So guys, let's get started. So into a boiling water, I'm going to add in the beans. I'm just going to allow this to come to a boil. Then I will rinse and drain out the water. Guys, it's always good to parboil your beans so that it will cut down the gas. Beans can be really gassy, so it's always good to parboil the beans. So at this point, I'm just going to take it off the heat, then I will rinse and I'm going to transfer it back to my cooking pot. Then after adding it into the pot, I'm going to be adding more water. I'm going to add more water that will be enough for the beans to cook. Okay, so after adding the water, I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook until it is very soft. So at this point, beans is soft, but I'm just going to check if the beans is soft enough. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch. I appreciate you all. So at this point, our beans is nicely cooked. Then I'm going to transfer my nicely washed rice. So for the rice, I wash the rice with salt and hot water. Okay, so after I'm done washing the rice, I just transfer it into the pot. Then I added some salt and I just it together so that everything will combine. Okay, so I added more water to cook. Guys, at this point, our rice is nicely cooked. So I'm just checking if the rice is cooked enough, and guys, voila. So I'm just going to enjoy the rice with my vegetable stew, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.